have a OnePlus 12R review coming to you very soon, but in the meantime, I was really excited about this when I saw it on OnePlus's website. So I reached out to them and I said, did you know that purple is my favorite color? Also, did you know that I am slightly obsessed right now with Genshin Impact? So they sent me this brand new limited edition OnePlus 12R. It's the Genshin Impact Edition. It costs 650 bucks. Currently, their pre-order is sold out, but you can get notified online when they release more of these for availability. But it kind of feels like they built this thing for people like me who are huge dweebs, huge weebs, and also big fans of the color purple. So I decided to unbox one of these for you and show you everything that comes in this pretty heavy box, which just so happens to match my entire studio in here. So here we have this gorgeous OnePlus 12R limited edition collector's box. I'm gonna call it a collector's box because that's what it looks like to me. So in the box, this is the 12R Genshin Impact Edition. It is the 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM version, which is the only storage and RAM size that you can get for this Electro-Violet collaboration edition. And I believe there's a whole bunch of goodies in this box as well, so we'll go through those too. Ooh, that's pretty. Beautiful box. Can I take this out? It looks like you can remove this. Oh, that's so cute! So this character, who notably would totally be my cosplay character if I was cosplaying right now. Her name is Keqing, I want to say. It's Chinese. I don't know Chinese. I just know some Japanese, so I might be saying that wrong, but I'm going to say Keqing for this video. This is a really nice, sturdy box, and it's definitely very, very flavored in the Genshin Impact Keqing character vibe. So I'm really loving this aesthetic, but let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. Ooh, that's pretty. So in the box we have, this is a OnePlus Keqing can badge. Some really nice artwork on there. And here we have the phone and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's like two-toned almost. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have the OnePlus 12R Keqing Genshin Impact limited edition, and it is so pretty. I really love these beautiful like cherry blossoms on here. And you also have some like lightning aspects, which is a part of the character. Like her attacks are all about electricity and lightning, so this totally makes sense, like having these cool little like lightning effects on the back of this phone. You still have this really nice brushed glass with the aluminum framing, so it looks very pretty. What is that? What is that? I found an Easter egg. If you point a light at the top edge of the phone, it reflects Keqing's name. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, so I was looking at the top frame of this OnePlus 12R and I noticed that there's like letters here, so I was able to figure out how to display that, and what a cool Easter egg. That's really, really neat. So I'm gonna get this phone turned on and I will show you any custom settings. But in the meantime, there's other stuff in here. It comes with a display. For the folks in my audience who also collect all the character goods, here we have some pins. So these are a whole bunch of different really cute little metal pins of Keqing. What are those? Do we get stickers too? Here's a series of stickers that comes in the box, as well as this series of enamel pins. Oh my goodness, these are so cute, and they are metal. That's nice. Here we get an acrylic stand. A lot of people collect these as character goods, especially because they don't take up a lot of space like large anime and video gaming figures would. So I have a whole bunch of these for like Sailor Moon, for example. This one also comes in the box. This is a little miniature phone stand. So you set this up and you can dock your phone in place on this little stand. That's adorable. Look at that little chibi character. Here we have another box. Ooh, is this a phone case? Oh, it is. Awesome. Ooh, that looks nice. So here we have a custom SIM ejector tool. This one is also based off of Keqing's character in Genshin Impact, and oh, that is cool. That's a really nice SIM ejector tool. Here's the phone case. It kind of has this cool diamond effect on the inside, and oh, that is cute. Very nice. Really, really nice like matte design on this phone case. And it also, of course, features Keqing with her own OnePlus 12R. And I really appreciate that they also include accessories in the box. So here we have, whoa, 100 watts, really? 100 watts, super VOOC. So here is a really, really fast charger. That's awesome. That's the fastest charger I have now. Keqing on the bottom. Of course, we have that Genshin Impact icon on the top. And then we have a matching USB-C to USB cable for your 100 watt Super VOOC charger. Love, love, love that everything is on brand. This all looks really amazing together. Okay, so now that I have everything out of the box, I'm gonna assemble the little display and show you what that looks like. Oh, it's magnetic. This is fascinating. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so here we have the display stand with Keqing, the acrylic stand, the SIM card ejector tool, as well as the OnePlus 12R. Everything is put together on this display stand, which is magnetic, so it's pretty easy to put together. It's very simple. I appreciate this little design that's chilling in the background via magnets as well. Oops, sorry, girl. Okay, this is kind of hard to hold and not have everything fall over, so I'm trying my best. Okay, so here is everything that comes in the box on my top-down camera. You can see that everything is really aesthetically pleasing, especially if you're a big fan of Keqing or Genshin Impact. Everything is totally on brand, including the design of the new phone. It's really beautiful. I really appreciate collaborations like this that are very, very motivated by like a gaming or an anime company. We don't get a lot of technology-oriented collaborations, so I absolutely love that OnePlus decided to do this, because usually the collabs that I end up seeing from anime and gaming brands are going to be like with a fashion brand or with a jewelry brand or a cafe that opens up in Tokyo. Like you don't really get a lot of technology-oriented collabs like this, so I was very, very pleased that OnePlus did that. Now let's go ahead and start up this phone and see what kind of customizations they put into the software as well. Because I believe, based on what I've heard from OnePlus, is that there's additional custom settings in the software too. I sure hope you're charged. Okay, we are still good. Oh, that was cute. Okay, so we have like purple electricity around the OnePlus settings menu. This is your normal Android operating system setup. So there is a custom background, and I also noticed immediately that all these icons are very much based on Genshin Impact designs. So you have that purple icon for a lot of the ones that are built in. Everything else has a diamond shape to it. That's pretty cool.
Let's finish this quickly.
Okay, apparently notifications also have a custom audio set to them. That's interesting. Everything in your settings is purple, but now I want to listen to sounds. Are there other sounds too? There are. Okay, so there's a ringtone Keqing.
We live in an era of change, as the old order that has existed for 1,000 years is about to be rewritten.
Oh my god.
Join me. Let us bear witness to this historical moment together.
Okay, that's one thing about Genshin Impact, is their characters are so like emotional whenever you listen to them in the game.
Morning. Time to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you're still feeling sleepy, shake it off. I'm all for work-life balance, but I think this is pushing it. Come on, enough procrastinating. Let's go. In adventuring, as in business, you always have to seize the opportunity while it's there.
She talks a lot. Let's look at notifications, because there's a notification Keqing.
Let's finish this quickly.
Okay, that's the one that we heard when we had the settings notification pop up.
Something's come up?
Is that it?
Something's come up?
Okay, so that's the SMS notification. Okay, everything is purple. Lovely. Love it. So pleased. Okay, so it says exclusive. So exclusive is the special color for this, and then we have a custom setting for the wallpaper colors. Edge lighting is not purple. That would be really cool if it was. Ooh, there's a special fingerprint animation. So usually you get some pretty fun animations with the OnePlus models, but on this one you get this pretty, really cool custom lightning. There's a special Keqing theme. I'm gonna apply it. Oh, look at her, she's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it, and it's animated. That makes me so happy. Okay, so she ends up on your lock screen Super, super cute. I love it so much. You can also switch to this live wallpaper if you want to apply that to your home screen as well, which I'm totally going to do. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, that makes me so happy. I am such a happy weeb right now. This is so cool. I'm totally going to play Genshin Impact on this Genshin Impact phone and leave all her notifications on. Everything about this phone just makes me so happy. I love that it matches my entire studio in here. I love that it came at such a perfect time given that I've been using Genshin Impact to test phones so much lately, and just because of that, I have definitely fell down that rabbit hole of playing that game, and Paimon is my new favorite Navi. She's adorable. I promise I will not use her as food, but she's very cute. Oh, that's cool. Look at the always on display. Okay, that one just popped up too. Wow, there's so many customizations in here. It even, oh my god, it matches my nails. It matches my nails. Thank you for watching and letting me totally nerd out about something that brings me so much joy. Usually I don't really get a chance to talk about like anime and video game weeb stuff that I'm into on this channel. I generally keep all that for my Sailor Moon weeb channel. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you can subscribe to that channel. You can subscribe to this one as well for security and privacy tutorials, as well as reviews of all the newest in tech, consumer tech that is coming out in this day and age. And if you have any questions on the OnePlus 12R, I am currently working on my review of the normal one. However, I will include some features and information on this one as well in my review. So definitely ask those in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to OnePlus for sending out my new favorite aesthetically pleasing phone. So excited to play Genshin on here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do after work today. Bye.